So I tried to make cinnamon rolls out of my biscuit dough. I rolled my biscuit dough out real thin, then grated some butter and put it on top of it. Then put some brown sugar on top of that. And then, after I got through with the brown sugar, I put some cinnamon on it, as you would on a cinnamon roll. And then I rolled it up after, oh, I forgot, I put some maple syrup on it too. And it looks good. I'm just rolling it up. Roll it up real good. Roll it up nice and tight. Something like that. And then I found a baking dish and greased and floured it. That's what I was doing in the background there. Running around the kitchen. Looking for my baking dish. Putting some oil on it. And got a handful of flour. And dusted it. And then put, the excess flour, threw it out. And after I had my baking dish all prepared, I sliced up this roll of cinnamon rolls. Like this. Just like that. I mean, as you would. They're looking good so far. And then I put some heavy cream on top of the cinnamon rolls. And this is not an advertisement for anything. And then I baked those cinnamon rolls. And while they were baking, I made icing to go on top out of half a block of cream cheese, an amount of vanilla, about a teaspoon, I guess, and about a cup or so of powdered sugar, confectioner's sugar, icing sugar. And after I got that done, I got my cinnamon rolls. After I got all that sticky mess off the beaters. And wet my fingers a few times. And cleaned up my work area a little bit, not much. And there's the cinnamon rolls. I mean, they don't look bad. A little brown, but whatever. And they turned out a little thin and crumbly, extremely crumbly. And I think I'm going to stick to my other recipe for cinnamon rolls from now on. Because even with my glue-like icing, they still are really crumbly. They don't taste bad.